السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello everyone. I am teacher Nourhan Ezzat, science teacher from Fusun online platform. Welcome to our unique students. Today we are going to talk about chemical bonding. There are many types of chemical bonding such as covalent bonding, ionic bonding, hydrogen bonding, and more. But today we will focus on the ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is an electrostatic attraction between the positive ion of metal and the negative ion of non-metal. So firstly, we should know that ionic bond cannot be formed between atoms and cannot be formed between ions of metals only or ions of non-metals only. So ionic bond is only formed between ion of metal and ion of non-metal, positive ion of metal and negative ion of non-metal, okay? We have studied before that metals which have 1, 2, or 3 electrons in their outermost energy level tend to lose electrons during chemical reaction and convert to positive ion. On the other hand, non-metals which have 5, 6, or 7 electrons in their outermost energy level tend to gain electrons during chemical reaction and convert to negative ion. Now we have two different charges, positive charge from the positive metal ion and negative charge from the negative non-metal ion. So the electrostatic attraction will be originated between positive ion and negative ion, and the ionic bond will be formed between them, and finally forming an ionic compound. Okay, for example, if we have a metal atom, sodium Na11, with an electronic configuration 281, and non-metal atom, fluorine Cl17, with an electronic configuration 287. On the reaction between them, sodium atom will lose 1 electron and convert into sodium positive ion with a positive charge above it. Then fluorine atom will gain the lost electron from sodium atom and convert into fluoride ion, negative fluoride ion with negative charge above it. Then NaCl compound will be formed, which called sodium chloride compound. Sodium chloride compound is an ionic compound. Why sodium chloride compound is ionic compound? Because it formed from two different ions, positive sodium ion and negative chloride ion. And also it formed by ionic bond between them. So we can call it's an ionic compound, okay? Ionic compound is a neutral compound. What is the meaning of neutral compound? The word neutral means uncharged, has no charge above it. If we look at this compound, NaCl, sodium chloride, we notice that there is no charge above it. Why? Because the positive charge on this compound equal to the negative charge. If we look at the positive sodium ion, we notice it has 1 positive charge above it. This 1 positive charge refers to the number of lost electrons. Sodium atom lose 1 electron, so it has 1 positive charge above it. Also, chloride ion has 1 negative charge above it, referred to the number of gained electrons. Chlorine atom gain 1 electron, so chloride ion has 1 negative charge above it. So finally, in the sodium chloride molecule, the positive charge equal to the negative charge, so we can call it it is a neutral compound. Okay? So this is a simple explanation for how ionic bond is formed. Now, at the end of this lesson, we learned that ionic bond is formed due to an electrostatic attraction between different charges. Ionic bond is formed between ions of metals and non-metals. Ionic bond cannot be formed between two metals or two non-metals. Ionic compound is a neutral compound. Now I will put simple question. If you know the answer, please write it down in comments. Mention some examples for ionic compound. Thanks for listening. And if you want to learn and enjoy science with me, please join us in our فصول online platform by sending message to our page. Thank you and goodbye.